Unity is strength. Once upon a time, there was an old father who had 3 sons. They often quarreled and fought with each other. The father noticed that despite their individual strengths, they would not work together. To teach them a lesson about the importance of unity, he decided to demonstrate it in a particular way. He called his sons and asked them to bring a bundle of sticks. Once they gathered the sticks, he tied them together and challenged each son to break the bundle. One by one, they tried but failed to break it. Then the father untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. This time they easily broke the individual sticks. The father explained that just as the bundle of sticks was strong together, they too would be strong if they untied and worked together. The sons understood their father's lesson, promised to support each other, realizing that unity brings strength and overcoming challenges together is much easier. The story emphasizes the moral that strength lies in unity, and it is important to work together to achieve common goals. Dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed this story. Unity is strength. If you found it inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more stories like this. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more valuable content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts on the story in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you felt about the message of unity and strength.